Hello friends, welcome to this video. This video you will see how to close active status. Like this time you are online but your other friend see you are not online. I have one request. Please subscribe this YouTube channel and hit the bell icon and press the all. And if you see Facebook page, please follow my Facebook page and share this video. Let's start this video. Follow the mobile screen. First need to go Messenger and see what happened this Messenger. Now you see all active, some active and some non-active, but others all see you active. If you go in this messenger also have this active status, but if you on this, all can see you online or offline. But if you also close this, also close all, cannot see others also online or offline, because this time you click show when you are active, also unactive see active status in inbox. This time you, but me don't do this. I want to do this time me not online but others online, so need to go in Facebook Lite. If you have Facebook Lite, no problem, but if you have not, you need to install. Then go this Facebook Lite. This time you go in Facebook Lite, you see this message icon, you click this message icon. This time you click message icon, you see all others active, others non-active. Then you see this icon, you see settings icon, you click this setting icon. Then you again see active status on, but need to close. If you close this when you are active, need to close this. Now you click this close button. If you close this, others cannot see you online or offline. Now click turn off. Then go and others friend. Now see you are not online. If you online but others see you are not online. Now go in again Messenger. What happened this Messenger? Now you see same, others online but your friend cannot see you online, others all things you are not online.